This is the video guide about removing fake human verification alerts related to the site amadeadscity.com. amadeadscity.com is a deceptive site that may attack Google Chrome browser and other browsers. It tries to make you click on allow, supposedly to help you verify that you are not a robot. But if you click on allow, you may be also redirected to some other junk sites, and soon you may start receiving the huge portion of really intrusive ads not related to the sites that you visit. You need to definitely do something to deactivate these ads. So access the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, and in Permissions choose Notifications. So remove the junk sites if you find their presence on the list. Finally, I recommend that you restart the computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then once it is successfully installed, start researching this system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time, the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only Quick Scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.